Good afternoon to all of my friends. We have Apple Computer that ended up closing at 169.10. The high was 169.20. They're going to report quarterly earnings. Where my pointer is right here, it's a chart. It's a 3-minute after hours chart that tracks prices. This happens to be in earnings on Apple. And so we're going to see what happens when we get the news. We're printing at 169.50 at the very moment. And once again, the blue line is a 10-minute and a 20-minute. It's an after hours release on Apple and how to trade it, particularly trading the options. We give you the entry, we give you the exit, and that's how it's done here. Take the free 5-day trial. You owe yourself that much. You may be more than surprised. So here we are in after hours. And this is a headline event. Plus $3.84, right? When it closed at 169.10. Did is 169.10 by 169.21. I'll be back with the report. Still waiting on the number and whatnot. This is live market after hours now with the earnings release, and how to make the money is the biggest thing. And that's what we enjoy doing, and we would enjoy doing it with you too, as long as you get in the free 5-day trial and see. Do an example in the background right here where my pointer is down here. Snap, SNAP, just reported earnings, and look at it tank. We'll get that live after we get done with Apple, but that's an after hours stock that just reported, so that you could understand what I'm going to show you right now in Apple and its quarterly report, how the price trades with the rest of the retail traders out there all at one time within a very narrow price range. And that is part of what you're going to see right here is the knee-jerk reaction. Waiting on the report. 1940, 169.40. So that's how you divide those numbers. But anyway, let's not get confused. 169.40.25. So we do know it's getting close to that knee-jerk reaction in the price. Just hold on, and we'll be here live right now, and we're going to get it. Printing up here at 19 on the other one, and the Apple is 169.40. That's the price right here. And after hours earnings announcement. Here we go. We're printing at 171. This is live. This is that 3-minute chart. They dropped it down a little below 168. Now they're coming back down. There we go. 171, 172, 50s. Here we go. Now we're going to make sure that this is the beginning. There's going to be a conference call. All right. So we know that we're hitting the highs up here, and this is live right now. This is what I was talking about. We're printing 174s, 174s. All right. I'm going to get that earnings announcement. Here we go. Here we go. There you go. This is our, whoa, 175s. Whoa, they came in. Look at that baby run. Now, we already own the position. So I hope that I can see all the new people. If you come in for the free 5-day trial, we're going to provide the limit order and the exit order with the money now. And we're printing up here at 176. This thing is rolling. It's rolling. Look at that baby go. So here, let me get that 3-minute. Let's just make sure. There it is. That's the top of it right now. And so you can see it right here. This is a big green bar going up. And if we just take that right there, you can see that knee-jerk reaction. And look at that baby rip. And that's going to make our, whoa, look at it go. Now, just remember one thing. We're up here at the high, but we already own it going up. But when it goes down, we're going to own it. We're going to make money when it comes down off of the high. Here it is. I'm going to get the earnings announcement. I want you to treat yourself good. You know what I want you to do? You treat yourself good. and you get into this 5-day trial, you will be here right now, just like what we're doing. This is a knee-jerk reaction, and you can see it, but there's going to be more news. There's going to be a conference call. These are the pre-earning before they tell everybody what they made, which is an earnings announcement on the quarter with Q&A questions with the analysts, and we'll have to sit in on that conference call. Here we are at 177. We're at 176.95. We're starting to come right back down. Now, I already said everything that I had to say to everyone, and I will be back. One of the biggest announcements, we're coming back down, but I can tell you this. Apple, a $100 billion repurchase buyback program. So what does that mean? I'll tell you later. It means that their company can buy $100 billion worth of Apple stock back to keep it from ever going down. And that's really, a shame. These companies buying their own stock back, why don't they go out and invest their money to help build their business? Anyway, here we are in after hours. We're coming right back down. This is a knee-jerk reaction. We hit that peak and making money up. But now, when it comes down, it's printing at 176 even. Look at it roll. 176.12, 176. And rolling in after hours, because that's the most important thing, is for you to treat yourself good and get in here and be part of this live. And you will be amazed at how we do things with exchanges that are cheap. 176.28. Look at that. Here's that red bar coming right back down. Now we got to find out more about the quarter. All right, we're starting to get some news on it, and I'll go over that with all our guys. But Q2 iPhone shipments of 52.2 million versus 52 million estimates and 50.8 million last year. Company reports that the iPad shipments of 9.1 million versus 8.8, so that was better. Estimates at 10.2. So, they're coming right in there on an average that is lower. Company, okay, the Mac shipments, 4.1 million versus 4.1 million estimates. 4.2 million last year. So these are the numbers that are circulating on Apple for the moment, and I'll be back. You can see the price is now printing at 175. 175. Like I said, this is a 3-minute after hours chart, and we are going to use the option market to really take advantage of the moves because we know exactly what to do in the morning on the opening bell. Okay, and this is how they go up and down based on a knee-jerk reaction. What does that mean? The initial announcement that we have. So we're 175 to 175, 42, 31, 42, and 40. Right here, it's going down. When it goes down, that is the best thing about making money going down. Okay, so we went straight up to the highs, the 177. And then now we're coming right back down. And this is all live right here, right now. Look at how fast that I got 175. Yes, I do. 175, 25, 15, and 175. What? Look at him. Roll it in there on that big ass 30, 40 pennies. Look at that. 30 pennies, 29 pennies. And it's dropping. Right here's the red bar. Okay, look at that. And now we know what to do with Apple. And there's going to be a lot of people giving their feedback on the stock. Well, we only care about one thing, price action. That's it. And then the entries are given out to you with the option market. No experience. Just get in. Think up. Treat yourself good. And get in here. And see it. Be part of it right now. Being part of this. This whole Apple trade that will open up in the morning. And how we're really going to pound it again. And this is how you make money doing the earnings season, and there's a whole lot more.